Yes, student, today we are learning about discount and market price. So first of all, we're going to understand what is market price and what is discount. So market price is the price which is printed on the article. You must have observed that whenever you go to the market to buy something, on that article, on the wrapper of that article, you observe some price is printed. So that price is called market price. Now come to discount. What is discount? Discount is a reduction given on the market price. Whatever be the discount, whatever be the reduction that the shopkeeper gave to you on that market price is called discount. Mostly some of the shopkeeper they says that we will give 10% discount, 15% discount on the market price of that article. So that is called discount. Discount means reduction. Now how to find the discount? For finding the discount, we use the relation discount is equal to market price minus sale price. Discount is the reduction, market price is the printed, and sale price means the price that you pay to the shopkeeper for that article. Again, discount is equal to market price minus sale price. Sale price is the price at which you buy that article. Now let us solve a question based on the concept of discount. Question based on discount. So here we are taking exercise 8.2, question number 9. The question is Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600, find the market price. We have to find the market price, means the price that is printed on the skates. So here in this question, discount is given how much? 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600 or 1600, this is the sale price. You can say it is sale price because this is the amount he paid to the shopkeeper. Find the market price. We have to find the market price. So we're going to suppose let market price be X. Let us do the solution. Let market price equal to rupees X. Then discount is given 20%, so it will be 20% of X. So when you solve it, 20 upon 100 into X, 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10, it will be X upon 5. So discount given is X upon 5. And sale price, the price that he paid will become sale price, is equal to rupees 1600. Now we have all the values. Let us use the relation. Since discount is equal to market price minus sale price, this is the relation. Put the value. Discount we have X upon 5, market price we have X, and sale price we have 1600. Now we have to solve. We have to take the X term on one side and without X term to another side. So it is in negative sign, so we will remove it to the left hand side and we're going to take this term to the right hand side. Or 1600 is equal to X minus X upon 5. Now let us take the LCM over here. Here we have 1600 equal to, when you take the LCM you will get 5X minus X. 1600 equal to 4X upon 5. 4 upon 5 will be transposed to the another side, so it will be reversed 5 upon 4. Now do the basic calculation work. Cancellation 4 4 16 and 2 zeros. 400 into 5 will give 2000. So this will give the value of x equal to 2000. So it means market price is, so we can say market price is rupees 2000. So this is the market price. So we can say this way that market price is rupees 2000. So this way student, you can solve any problem based on discount or market price. What you have to do, you have to just use the relation discount is equal to market price minus sale price. Thank you.